Weekend bombings caused markets to sell off hard and gold and crude to run. What's up, everybody? Welcome aboard to Bubba's Daily Update for Monday, March the 2nd. Well, markets are getting hammered after the weekend bombings, and of course, that makes crude and gold going much higher overall. The markets are now breaking down to the downside. We're at a very key and crucial area as markets are oversold and you should probably bounce from some point around here. Certainly the action is not devastating. You're down about 1.5% across the board, so I certainly wouldn't panic about that. I would think you'll probably see at some point a rally from here. But overall, as we've talked about for the last couple of weeks, it looked like the markets were turning over and ready to break to the downside anyways. The news that we will be using, or what the media will be using, is that, well, the bombing in Iran. But we were also, I think, weak beforehand. So let's see how that plays out. We do have some data this week, plus jobs on Friday. So overall, I would expect a little bit of a pop at some point. But overall, I think we are headed lower. In general, I think the trend is turning over. And I expect to see the ability to sell rallies. And that's the way that we would play it. In the meantime, as I said, the markets are down about 1.5% across the board, and looked like they are headed a little bit lower. The dollar is over 98 cents. We're out and we're flat. The euro currency is lower. We're short. The bonds and notes are both lower. They did not reach our sell positions yet, so we're still holding and waiting. Bitcoin is higher, which we are long. Gold is higher. Silver is higher. Platinum is lower. I would expect gold and silver to fail. I would expect them to see some pretty heavy selling this week. Overall, nothing just because I think that they're just overdone on this little bit of fear here. Copper is above that $6 level. We're going to look at it $6 when it gets there to see if we want to be a buyer. The grain markets are flat. We're long. Cattle looks like it might finally start to break down towards our St. Patrick's Day selling spree. We have no position. And right now not doing anything, but they are looking to break to the downside as we're watching along with hogs. Nat gas is back over $3, so we're back to about break even there. As we said, if you were able to buy some lower, which we're not able to, but it would be profitable. And crude is at $72, or just over 72. At the end of the day, we're short from 66, and I'm looking to sell more. I think that there's a greater probability, and this is more of a fear trade. So I would look to be a seller of more. And in the meantime, just be careful. You got to be patient and observe this market. Remember our new product, Gap Hunter, which is done extremely well, and it makes 2 to 3 trades, maybe 4 trades a day, all early in the morning, and it does them automatically for you. And of course, our trader brokerage, Capital Trading Group, our high school program, and the Joy of Mom. And in the meantime, have a great day, everybody. Be careful, be ready, be patient. And this is the Bubba's Daily Update for Monday, March the 2nd.